Ikhuzele kuku, esuthi suthi suthe, ikhwele phezu kwethu, ikhuzele kuku. Akhuzi tu, siyajulukela. Akhuzi tu, siyajulukela.
Right. Thank you for the question. Yeah, what I'm going to respond on the part of the media. I've been in the media for a long time. I'm retired now from the media because I'm now more in social policy. If you read a book which was written by a renowned British academic called John Pilger, he says the role of the media sets an agenda. The media shapes us the way we think. Look at even in the UK, when there are elections here, the owner, Rupert Murdoch, actually intervenes. He's an Australian American. He tells his newspaper who to support and who not to support. But in our story, when we go back to the Ndebele, the dichotomy of the whole thing, we have never been supported by any news media, despite the fact that we have people like, say, Trevor Noah is part of us. But to be honest, the media is not really sympathetic. I like Trevor Noah, things that he's doing. He's done very well for himself, and his stories, which is much more different from the state media. I personally regret, having worked for the state media, because, for example, I remember very well the editor telling me that if you go to Cholocho, the only story that we want in Cholocho is rap, stepping, border jumping. We were told. I'm a living testimony to that. I can even testify that in a competent court of law, we were told one thing. We were told, it begins in the newsroom. There were 15 journalists at the Chronicle, and we were only 3 in Ndebeles. 15 journalists. We had guys coming from University College, Amandebele, being told there is no job. Then Unathan Shamiarina sends somebody, comes in, takes the job. We were told, let me tell you one thing, guys, it's so deep. I'm very passionate about this subject. That's why I came here. I was personally told not to talk in Ndebele in the Chronicle newsroom. In the Chronicle newsroom, right in the heartbeat of Matabeleland. So the media is an agenda. That is why all editors of the Chronicle, they will come from Harare to come and set the agenda in Matabeleland. We were personally instructed to attack these activists, anti-government. We were not journalists, we were hitmen. That's what is happening in the media. So our story, we need to tell our own story. And that is why I was talking to Mr. Dube yesterday to say, despite the fact that I'm being funded by a South African organization, which I'm not privileged to tell you to give their name until if they say yes, do so, I am going to talk about Kukura Hundi. They asked me to talk about them because I'm doing a study about them. But I'm going to talk about the 5th Brigade massacres in maybe for the first time ever. That issue will be raised in the United Nations. Thank you.